This one, we killed this one.
Huh?
We killed this one.
What do you mean we killed it?
It's not open.
Oh.
When did we put that down here?
2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. We can see they got an opening there. See if they were coming out the top there. Now what are we going to do? We're going to take out the feeders. And make sure the bees are peaceful and queen right. Not looking at the queens, but and then we're going to see and probably put on supers on everything if they're anywhere close to filling out. Right?
What temperature is it?
Huh?
What temperature is it?
Oh, what are you doing? You recording this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's probably mid-50s.
Okay.
Don't you think, Bob? This man here, he's our chief architect of this operation.
No, I'm not. I mean, I'm recording, but I'm just getting all my stuff.
Yeah, I don't think, might have want to check with Sarah.
Is this mine?
Yeah. Well, it's mine, but you can use it.
Good morning, everybody. This morning we're back in Pine Mountain. Today we're gonna go ahead and go through the boxes here on all the packages, especially pull out all the feeders. We got probably a little bit of flow on it. If it's right at it, a lot of blackberry bushes, a lot of privet
And
locust trees, and it's awful cool. This whole week's been pretty cool. I'd say right now it's probably about mid-50s. Bees are just trying to not fly. So we're going to try to get in here and get out before they realize what's happening.
And the tulip poplar.
And the tulip
also.
poplar. Okay.
Definitely empty.
That's good. Nice piece of wood. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 drawn.
Rolling that white stuff out.
Put a super on that. I've already got I've got a box
you got a
down
box?
here. Yeah.
To put them in too?
Yeah. No, I don't have one to put them in, but
Okay.
I think they're all going to be empty.
We had super.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, and
See what's down in here. Let's see. Alright. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty good. Okay.
they've drawn out 6.5 or 7 frames.
Looks good.
And we'll vent the tops too. Yeah. Same story. Can you get, they got sound too?
Yeah, I think I've got sound. If not, I've got it over here. Okay. I've got my microphone in. I'm trying it out.
Okay.
Go with the super on that.
Yeah. Yeah, I think anything is 6 frames or so, we'll just go on to super. Because they're going to really start. They're going to start hatching out. You know, they've just started their 21, 22 day hatch. So they're going to really be expanding with their hatch coming on. This one might be a little bit full here.
Yeah,
Let's see.
Yeah, we got some juice in this one.
Oh, does it?
You got some weight to it.
I was just grabbing with my finger in there.
alright, it's got a lot of weight in it. You want to just dump them?
Yeah, just dump it someplace away from the trailer.
Don't have much buildup in that.
Where it is.
Yeah. Look from here over, there's a whole lot of anything.
Lay there.
What's the matter? You don't have any lay? Did you see it if it was on there? Have you already looked at this one, Bob?
Yeah, he looked at that one.
I'm sorry, I didn't.
May have to put a frame of brood in here.
Yeah, they sound a little. What's that?
Yeah. These queens.
Yeah, we'll put a stick of brood in there.
Oh, it's got a lot of weight to it too.
Yep.
Ugh, fermented. How about that one?
Well, I think it's okay.
There's a queen. Right there.
You see any fresh eggs lay in there? They can. She's on that stick. She's laying on that stick.
There you go. Give me a look.
Yeah, take a look and see if you see. It's got to be real fresh now.
You see any fresh on there?
I didn't, but I can.
Yeah, this.
Got just a little bit past eggs. Just a glisten in the bottom.
I don't know. I gotta find it. Problem is, there's a lot of. Yeah, I think this has quite a bit of lay on it.
Fresh, real fresh.
Yeah, yeah, it's got a little bit of everything.
See that queen cup or anything in there? Okay, well we'll put this one in. Is there anything in that queen cup there, Bob?
I didn't see the queen cup.
It's up, must be on the other side. Right there.
I don't think so.
Tell them what you're doing.
What are you doing?
We're putting in a frame of fresh brood so they can make a queen. That's box number 3.
Yeah, they have
Have an egg in there?
yeah.
Gosh, let's give that one to them then.
I tore the side off of it.
Oh, okay, never mind.
I couldn't see it.
Okay,
She's on the stick.
yeah. Got it?
I guess you don't want to put a super on that one. On the other one, you put
Not
one
on
this
that one, we put one on this one.
This one, we killed this one.
Huh?
We killed this one.
What do you mean we killed
It's not open.
it? Oh.
When did we put that down here?
2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. Look and see, they got an opening there. See if they were coming out the top there.
Oh, there's some movement.
Oh no, yeah.
You get your field
Oh,
back.
they're
Are
good.
they okay? We're lucky we had a bad box on there. Yeah, it's on the. Whoops, it was on the front. Golly, we're very lucky there. Left one screened up.
I don't even remember bringing
We
this
left
one
one
down.
screened up
When did you bring this one down?
when we set the whole thing up.
I don't remember that. Looks like we're done. We had one that wasn't queen right. Number 3, we took it out, took out a stick of fresh lay, put it in there. Other than that, put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we put on 9 supers. The one at the end was I don't know how, but we left it screened. So we took off the screen. It had an opening. Luckily it was a bad box, and so it didn't produce that much, but yeah, I think it'll be fine now. We didn't put a super on it because it's got I don't know, probably 5 frames to go. And then the one that wasn't queen right, of course it had a little bit less bee population. So we're gonna move on to the next yard, and we'll let you know what it is from there.